This is how you can create the rewind effect inside of CapCut. So here we have a stock video footage, and let's say if we want to create the effect on this, and I would simply copy and paste the part that I want to create the rewind effect for. So I will just cut this, paste it on top, and then I will come to click reverse, click this. So now the clip is reversed. So next we select the same clip, come to speed on the upper right hand side, and then we would just speed it up. And let's do 5x. And then we could see it. So next we are going to add the rewind effect overlay on top of the clip. To get this effect, you can just Google it or YouTube for a copyright-free rewind green screen effect. So this is what it looks like. So next we got to take out the green screen. So we select this, the effect overlay, and then we come up to video, cutout, chroma key, check this, and select the color picker, come to the middle, select the green part of the video, and then just turn up the strength. When you turn up the strength, the green part of the overlay will disappear. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to make the footage black and white, you can just select the footage right here, and then come up to adjustments, come down to saturation, and just turn this down to -50. Okay, so now we have a black and white footage with the rewind overlay here. So the last thing that we need to do is to match the overlay length to the actual clip length. So as you can see, the effect is longer. So you can either make the clip slower, right? We made it 5x, or you can make this effect clip shorter. Okay, so let's make this shorter. So you would just come up here, go to speed, and you can just make it shorter to match this. And then let's see how it looks. So there you have it. That's how you create the rewind effect in CapCut.